Hey guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your pictures on Inshot application. Okay, so let's say you took a picture on your camera and you want to just make it look a little bit more lively than the way it was. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that on your smartphone using the Inshot application. So mind you, I'm using the premium application of Inshot. All right, so if you want access to that application, please send me a DM via the number below this video. Okay, all right, so now let's get started. So I'm going to open my Inshot application and I'm going to click on pictures, which is photos. So I'm going to look for cameras. So all the pictures I took recently, there is a particular one I would love to work on. All right, okay, so let's say this picture. Can you see this picture now? So I'm going to work on this picture so you see how I'm going to transform it from this look to a better one. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to bring it here. So the next thing I want to do is to click on filters. Okay, so when I click on filter, I'm going to try all the filters you're seeing here to get the one I actually want. So I keep scrolling until I see a perfect one. Okay, so let's say I want to use this one. So now I'm going to click on the adjust tool and I will just reduce the brightness a little bit. Then the contrast, I'm going to increase the contrast. Can you see now? And then I'm going to add a little warmth and go to saturation. Can you see now? Okay, so I'm going to go to shadows. Go to shadows, add a little shadow, and then I'll go to my hue. And okay, I think I'll just reduce the hue a little bit. Okay, so go to this vignette. I'm going to add it to make it a little bit dark around. So I go to sharpen and it helps to smoothen this picture. So you make sure you don't do it too much, just a little. Okay, so I think this is okay. So when I'm done, I could just add a little tint to it, a little tint. So I save my picture. So save, and so let's go to the home, go to pictures again, or let's go to collage so we can merge these two pictures together. So this is one, and let's go to camera to bring the next one, this one. So can you see the difference between the two pictures now? So that is how you can actually edit your pictures on Inshot. All right, so if this video interests you, if you find this video very educating, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. All right, see you.